The Pakistan issue is very sensitive. And we cannot allow your public statements to be issued uncensored.
I believe it is my duty and my responsibility to make Mr. Jinnah and the world see the dangers of an India being divided into two parts, fighting against each other.
I have to follow orders.
Well, it suits your government to keep us divided on the basis of religion. Unfortunately, we are so blind we cannot see.
Mr. Gandhi, you have to understand that...
बापू, बाप को बुला रही है.
Please excuse me.
बा
हरी कहाँ है?
आ जाएगा वापस.
क्या होगा उसका मेरे बाद? आपू, वादा कीजिए आप मेरे हरी को संभाल लेंगे ना? वो दिल का बुरा नहीं है, बस किस्मत का मारा है. हाँ, मेरी साड़ी कहाँ है?
कौन सी?
हाँ, भूल गए ना? वही जो आपने अपने हाथों से बुनी थी, वो लाल किनारी वाली. वादा कीजिए मेरे अंतिम यात्रा पर आप वही साड़ी पहनाकर मुझे भेजेंगे.
हाँ. बा बा
छिन्दन्ति शस्त्राणि नैनं दहति पावकः न चैनं वेदयन्त्यापो न शोषयति मारुतः जातस्य हि ध्रुवो मृत्युः ध्रुवं जन्मामृतस्य च तस्मादपरिहार्येथे न त्वं शोचितुमर्हसि.
Muhammad Ali Jinnah and his Muslim League, demanding partition of India along religious lines, called for direct action. The result? Unprecedented Hindu-Muslim riots. Hundreds and thousands massacred in Bengal. British administration simply collapsed. Murderers roam freely and unchecked. Louis Mountbatten, the Governor-General of India, called Gandhi the one-man army of peace as he once again walks alone to stop the madness.
कहाँ छुप गए भाई? बाहर आओ, बाहर आओ और मार डालो मुझको. वैसे भी मेरी कितनी जिंदगी बची, कम से कम इस वहशीपन से तो मुक्ति मिलेगी. ये पीड़ा तो बर्दाश्त नहीं करनी पड़ेगी. क्या मुंह दिखाऊंगा मैं दुनिया को? हिंदू मुझे विश्वासघाती कहते हैं और मुसलमान मेरी मौत की दुआएं मांग रहे हैं. लेकिन एक बात सुन लो, मेरे टुकड़े टुकड़े कर डालो, पर मैं अपने देश के टुकड़े नहीं होने दूंगा, कभी नहीं। आप मेरे हरीलाल को ढूंढ सकते हैं?
क्यों बापू?
पिछले कुछ दिनों से मुझे उसकी बहुत याद आ रही है।
उन्हें ढूंढना बहुत मुश्किल है, पर मैं कोशिश करूंगा।
अगर इस संकट की घड़ी में वो मेरे साथ होता तो मैं बड़े आराम से उसकी गोद में अपनी आखिरी सांस ले लेता। जानती हो मेरी जिंदगी की सबसे बड़ी हार क्या है? दो इंसान, दो ऐसे इंसान जिन्हें मैं जिंदगी भर अपनी बात नहीं समझा पाया। एक तो मेरा काठियावाड़ी दोस्त मोहम्मद अली जीना, और दूसरा मेरा अपना बेटा हरीलाल, हरीलाल कांति।
One 150 years of British rule enters its final hours. One of the oldest civilizations is split into two nations. Muhammad Ali Jinnah is the new Governor General of the majority Muslim Pakistan. On the eve of Indian independence, Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru addresses the Constituent Assembly.
Long years ago, we made a tryst with destiny, and now the time comes when we shall redeem our pledge. At the stroke of the midnight hour, when the world sleeps, India will awake to life and freedom. A moment comes, which comes but rarely in history, when we step out from the old to the new, when an age ends, and when the soul of a nation, long suppressed, finds utterance.
To avoid further bloodshed and violence, Gandhi reluctantly agreed to the partition of India. Alone and dejected, the man of non-violence now faces a new reality, the greatest migration in history. Hundreds and thousands killed in the sectarian violence. Millions homeless, the old, the sick, the young, dying of hunger and exhaustion. Reports of unimaginable cruelty and daily massacres shocks the world community as it struggles to respond to this grave humanitarian crisis. 15th August 1947. India is a free nation.
The light has gone out of our lives, and there is darkness everywhere. and I do not quite know what to tell you and how to say it. Our beloved leader, Bapu as we called him, the father of the nation, is no more. Perhaps I am wrong to say that. Nevertheless, we will not see him again as we have seen him for these many years. We will not run to him for advice
चलो
and
भैया
seek solace from him.
जल्दी करो
And that is a
दुकान बंद करने वाले हैं हम
not to me only, but to
बेटा
millions and millions.
अंगीठी बंद कर दे
It is
बुझा दे अंगीठी
difficult to soften the blow by any advice that I or
Yeah.
anyone else can give you. The light has gone out, I said, and yet I was wrong.
मेरे
The
बापू
light
नहीं
that
रहे
shone in this country was no
मैं तो
other
अनाथ
than
हो
light.
गया
The light that has illumined this country for these many years,
मेरे बापू चले गए
illumined this country for many more years, and 1,000 years later, that light will still be seen in
नहीं
this country, and the world will
मुझे नहीं चाहिए तुम्हारे पैसे
and it will give
तुम बस
to innumerable
चले
hearts,
जाओ
for that light represented something more than
कायरों ने
it represented the living truth,
बापू को गोली मार
the
दी
eternal man
गोली मार
with his eternal truth, reminding us
बापू
of the
चले
right
गए
God,
मेरे बापू चले गए
taking this ancient country to freedom. There has been enough of poison spread in this country during the past years and months, and this poison has had effect on human minds. We must face this poison. We must root out this poison.